In this video, I will show you how to download files from Google Drive. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to your Google Drive. So if you enter drive.google.com, and that's going to take you to your Google Drive. From here, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to download files from. And then what you can do is find the file or files that you want to download from your Google Drive. So if you click onto My Drive in the menu on the left hand side, and you can find all your folders and files and things like that. Alternatively, there is a search box at the top as well, so you can search for any files using the search box. And once you find the file that you want to download, let's take for example this picture here, this beach.jpg file. If you hover over the file, you're going to see some icons come up on the far right hand side, and one of these is a download icon. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and what it's going to do is first of all scan for viruses and then download that directly onto your PC. What you can then do is use your search box in the taskbar at the bottom to locate your downloads folder, open this up, and you should now find the file that you've just downloaded. So that's how to download files from Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.